Got screws lying around with no place to store them? Here's a simple, cost-free way to keep them organized and portable. Having trouble driving screws because they won't stay on the drill bit? Let me show you a quick fix that'll save you the frustration. Need to screw something up high but can't reach? Forget the ladder. Here's how to extend your arm with a smart little trick. Tight corners are always tricky to clean, right? Grab a plastic bottle and turn it into a smart vacuum nozzle. Easy and effective. Tying a rope tightly doesn't always mean using more force. Sometimes it's all about the technique. Have you seen this one? Need to smooth out a cement surface? You don't have to spend hours on it. Just one clean pull. And look, it's already flat. Spacing and balance matter a lot, not just for accuracy, but for the overall look of your work. Use a tool or block with a fixed width. Place it between gaps, and just like that, your result is clean and precise. Now, what about connecting water pipes securely? Try this method. Once done, it'll never come loose again.